So this is one of my favorite books. It's called Breakthrough Advertising by Eugene Schwartz. And it's incredibly relevant to the times we are living in today. So in the opening of this book, Schwartz talks about how, to him, copywriting is about harnessing an immense natural force, the hopes and fears and desires of millions of people. And he goes on to call this effect mass desire, which he defines as the public spread of a private want. And to him, this spread is pushed by nationwide forces, like big forces at play, and one of which is called the forces of change. It's the beginning, the fulfillment, and the reversal of a trend. And there's this passage which I really love, which I'm going to quote to you. And he says, "Here the writer is dealing with the straws in the wind that may indicate a hurricane. Here in its sensitivity, foresight, and intuition, he must be able to see and catch the rising tide when it's almost imperceptible, sense which of the several appeals that are built into his product he should stress at any particular moment, and when to shift to another, and always how to be there first." So this approach really is about how do we channel a mass desire, which is in the market, a nationwide force, into our services, and in that case, our agencies. So Schwartz then explains that the role of a copywriter, or in that case, you as a business owner, because you make the decision of how you're going to sell your services. So your role is going to be to choose the most powerful desire that can possibly be applied to your product or service. And so what is the current mass desire in the heart of millions of small businesses worldwide that you must channel into your agency service? What is that desire that's already out there, that force, this coming hurricane or tsunami that is actually happening right now? Of course, it's artificial intelligence. And again, your role is to take that desire that already exists and channel it into your products and services. And don't just, talk about or promote something else, but talk about what the desire is and integrate it into your agency. So let's talk about why AI is in the heart of businesses. Obviously there's a mass desire for it, but let's still try to analyze, where that mass desire is coming from. The first reason why AI is in the heart of businesses is because businesses fear AI. Okay, and to me, this is one of the biggest driver of adoption to AI, in my opinion. Like large language models like ChatGPT have been available to the public for less than a year, and yet they have disrupted pretty much every single industry. It's hard to find an industry which has not been affected by ChatGPT. So to name a few, there's obviously writing and writers, there's customer support, there's science, there is graphic designs, there's sales and marketing, healthcare, logistics, data analysis, very recently with the release of Code Interpreter, banking and admin as well. All kinds of admin tasks, everyday tasks have been made obsolete or really changed a lot by ChatGPT. So entire industries right now are being wiped out by AI, and you've seen it yourself. And most businesses can sense it, that this wave, or let's call this tsunami, is coming to them. I sense it myself. I have to step up my game. I have to step up, what I do in my business, because otherwise AI is going to take over and, I'm going to be made redundant. And I know that this fear, which is causing this mass desire of AI, is prevalent everywhere. Okay, it's a prevalent emotion. And actually, Sam Altman, the co-founder of OpenAI, he recently said something like that. So he said that that language is surprisingly at the heart of a lot of the things we do. And that's very true. And since language is the basis of every human interaction, even like industries which are like kind of irrelevant to AI, like plumbing or hairdressers, very manual work, they can still benefit from AI, okay, by integrating AI into their admin tasks, like, doing admin, doing support, doing some of the redundant back-end work, okay? And this will increase their productivity, save them time, or save them money. So no industry is shielded from it, because these large language models are based on language. They are changing language, and language is the basis of everything. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why AI right now is a mass desire, because business fear it, okay? The other reason why it's a mass desire is obviously because businesses love it as well. Like AI has helped a lot of businesses, and a lot of them have adopted AI in their workflows already, from big corporations to small corporations. And the simple reason why is that because businesses love efficiency. So anything that's going to save them time, save them money, or increase their productivity is incredibly valuable for a small business. Especially in these times where there is inflation, high taxes, businesses are looking for ways to save money and to be more efficient in the long run. So, as we just saw, the mass desire for AI is here. So how do we channel this mass desire into our services? Okay. And the first step before we can actually channel this mass desire is to understand what AI can do. Okay. So you see right now, like AI for small businesses is like, if I give you 100 Lego bricks and I told you to build me something, there are literally millions of possibilities. You can build a house with Legos, a car, a horse, a tree, and so on. But if you have never built a car in Legos, your output might be average. You might be able to build something, but it's going to be pretty bad. Like I'm not, natural, unless you're a natural builder. Okay. And in the context of a business transaction where you are selling professional AI services, most likely, if you've never built the equivalent of a car in AI, your results are not going to be good enough to get paid. So to me, the first step is to, before venturing out into the market and start offering AI services, is to learn how to build, these services. Okay, so in the case of Lego, you want to learn how to build a car, build a horse, build a tree at least once, so that you know how to do it. You have the confidence as well in you to do it. But obviously, we are not building Legos. We're not talking about Legos here. We are helping businesses with AI services. So instead of building a car, a horse, and a tree, here are the 3 kinds of AI services skills you should be mastering. The first kind is AI chatbots. And you can use tools like Dente AI and BotPress to deliver this service. The second kind of AI services you should be mastering are AI automation. So this is integrating several apps and a CRM together, and you can use a tool like Zapier to do so. And the third skill is AI platform. So that's actually building a website which is AI powered. And for this, obviously there's a million ways to do it, but I like the low code way. So for this, I would recommend Glide apps. So thankfully, the recent acceleration in technology driven by AI over the past few months means that more than ever, building AI tools and selling AI services is easier than ever. Like 2 months ago, if you wanted to build a chatbot for a business, you had to deal with a lot of GitHub and custom code, and you had to be a genuine machine learning expert. Nowadays, you can create your own AI chatbot in 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how right now. So the first step is going to be to prepare your knowledge base, okay? Because when you're creating an AI chatbot, you're obviously going to give him some custom knowledge that he can answer to. So let's imagine our client is called Sarah Coaching. Okay, so let's say this is our client. She has coaching businesses like personal development coaching kind of stuff. So in the case of Sarah Coaching, we would ask our client to provide us some of the most frequently asked questions she gets in emails, in Messenger, in WhatsApp from her clients, so that we can streamline our operation and basically allow our customers to interact with a chatbot to get answers to their most commonly asked questions. So we would get all these frequently asked questions from her and then package it in a PDF in a simple text editor. And here is an example here. Okay, so here we have the questions. What is Sarah's coaching? Who is Sarah? What can I expect from a coaching session? How many sessions will I need? And so on. So kind of put together about 20 questions here, explaining what Sarah does, and she specializes in NLP and CBT and so on. Okay, so then I want to export this document. So it's a simple text document here as a PDF file. So then I can use it. So that's the first step. You want to prepare the knowledge base so that you can build a chatbot which is custom to the business. The second step is to upload the knowledge base to Dente AI. So Dente AI is this platform here where you can create a chatbot based on a custom knowledge base. So you want to first sign up for a free account, and you're going to see this page here, okay? Then you want to click on New Knowledge Base. You want to give your knowledge base a name. And then you want to either put the URL of your knowledge base if it's online, or upload it. Okay, so I'm going to upload it here. I think it's this one, sarahcoaching.pdf, and then click on Create. So now it's created my chatbot. Okay, so that's very quick. And then so this chatbot is trained to answer any questions about Sarah's coaching. Okay, so this is very easy. As you see, no tech knowledge needed. And this is one of the fastest way that I know to create a chatbot. So now let's test it. So I'm just gonna type here, give me a summary of this knowledge base. So this knowledge base consists of the document related to Sarah's coaching. The coach has over 15 years of experience and holds certification, blah, 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 blah. So basically now this AI is trained on this knowledge base, and, I can ask it anything. So now it's kind of giving me a summary to start with, and I can say like what services that Sarah offers. And now I can chat with the knowledge base. So this is very, very valuable for a business because it's going to save them time, save them money. If they want to, train someone to answer their customer support, they can give this person access to this chatbot, and it's going to save so much, searching for the knowledge base and copy and pasting by having this tool here. So now I can basically chat with the entire knowledge base of this business. So now that the AI is ready, you can share it and let the business stress test it before you install the widget on their site. Dente AI is a great entry point into chatbots because of its ease of use. And once you are comfortable with it and you want to take your chatbot further, I highly recommend you check out BotPress, which is a more advanced solution. Like I feel that Dente AI is a great starting point, and it's not really overwhelming. Like I find that if you start with WordPress, you might be overwhelmed by all the options and all the features. Like this is, as you can see, very straightforward. Anyone can do it. You can also customize the chatbot prompt. Okay, so how it's supposed to behave. So you see that here the basic prompt is you must act as the documents in the knowledge base. Never refer to anything outside of the documents you are trained on. So this is a great prompt that works pretty well, but obviously you can customize it if you want it to behave in any other way. Okay, and so that pretty much wraps up our training here. So creating chatbots is really the first skill you need to master when it comes to being able to tap into the mass desire for AI that the world is experiencing right now. So as you see from this example, it doesn't take a lot, probably 5 to 10 minutes to assimilate this skill. But once you have it, next time a client mentions AI, you know what to offer. And I highly recommend you to try to create your own chatbot for yourself right now, so that this skills becomes yours forever. This is only 5 minutes it will take you to do this, but just do it once so that you assimilate this skill. This is very easy to assimilate. And at the time of writing or recording this video, AI chatbots are seen as highly desirable, and most people don't know how easy it is to create them. So you can actually charge for this service. I would charge between $500 to $1,000, plus a $200 to $500 a month retainer for the upkeep. This is a great way to build a relationship and deliver value to a business at a minimal cost for you, like a Dente subscription is about $10 a month. And since the cost of a chatbot is very low right now, and it's gonna go to zero pretty soon. OpenAI is always dropping their prices, and this is reflected in the in the tools that we use, like Dente AI, like WordPress. The price is tending towards zero. So basically, one of the other approach you can have is to offer a chatbot for free as a business, as a way to earn their trust and build a relationship, and then upsell them to more advanced services. Okay, so now it's your turn. You don't want to miss out on this current AI trend. It's a mass desire in the market. It's happening right now. So start channeling that mass desire of AI into your agency by offering your own chatbot and AI services. Thanks for watching.